How old is he now?
Coming 5.
So he's good solid 4 coming 5, yeah? He does have a big walk.
Very. I always see so big. Taking that to the green.
If anything, he needs to take a little bit bigger stride with his foreleg. Yeah, and that will come when he learns to use his shoulder better. But when you don't want it to get too quick, that's all. But really, overall, very nice. That's about the right tempo. Good. You always have him on this side circle?
No,
But
but it's easy for him to do what I'm asking you is about
on the bigger circle. Yeah. Yeah, he's got such big strides, isn't he?